Hey y'all, I got sent over a 300 watt 20,000 lumen light. We're gonna take a little look here and then we're gonna plug it in. It comes with a regular plug on it. It is not hardwired. The cord looks a little short. We'll measure that in a moment. Right now we have our instruction, or actually it says product manual, LED floodlights. 20,000 lumens, y'all. That may light up that backyard pretty good. We are going to find out. It looks like you can hardwire it if you would like. It gives you the wiring diagram here in the, what they call it, the product manual. It's a working temperature 25 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius. Oh, minus 25 degrees Celsius to minus 40 degrees Celsius. I don't know Celsius, so don't know what that means. I know 0 is freezing in Fahrenheit. Anyway, the material is aluminum. It's AC 110 to 220 volt. CRI 80. Dimmable, no. Frequency 50 to 60 hertz. That's really not going to matter much unless you're doing like some videography or something, and then you will see the flickering. That's what, if you ever watched a video and it has a little flickering in it, like a review or something, usually it's because of the lighting, the frequency of the lighting, because lights pulse. Just a FYI. Anyhow, that has nothing to do with this, so we'll just keep on moving on. We got some different languages here. Looks like Dutch and French. And I don't speak either one, so we're going to call that the end of the looking at the product manual and move right on to the lights. Let me get my tape measure right quick, because I am curious as how long this cord is. That can make a big difference. You may have to put an extension cord on it. Be right back. I actually knew where it was at. Isn't that amazing? We will see how far that's a inch from there to the frame. That's a cool looking, I'll show you that in a minute. All right, let's run this out here and see what we got. It's going to be approximately, because this cord has some little kinks in it. You know, if it was stretched out really hardcore, then if it was stretched out, it would be a little different. It looks like it's going to be about 4 foot, about 4'3", maybe 4'4", 53 inches, 52 to 53 inches, right in there. Not a very long cord, but that's okay. We have extension cords. Now, what I was talking about, this frame, let's go ahead and take it out of there. Look at all those little beads of lights. Now, it says there are 288 beads of lights here. I'm not going to count them. There's just a bunch of them. But anyway, it's got this frame right here that you could bolt onto a wall or a post or however you want to do it. You can turn it. It's pretty tight right now, but anyhow, you can turn that. You could mount it up like that. However you want. Actually, you could probably just leave it sitting like that and make a heck of a work light, y'all. Anyhow, do it however you want. It's your light if you order you one. Anyway, we are going to get this thing plugged in and see how bright it will light up that backyard. Let's get it plugged in. I've got a plug right there. All right, it's dark out here. Let's flip the switch on this power strip. I had to get a power strip. Oh, holy smokes, y'all. Look at that. That lights up this yard. That lights up the neighbor's yard too. It's pretty bright. At a wide angle too. This is all the way over to, this is the side of my house. Right here. Wow. That is bright, y'all. Got it pointed up just a little. I don't want to blind you, so you can kind of see the angle that that's sitting at. Might ought to point that down a little bit. There we go. That's still bright. That's lighting up. It's lighting up in the other people's yards. We're going to have to get this turned off pretty quick. Anyway, that is bright. No doubt about that. Whoo, it's cold out there. Anyway, that is bright, wouldn't y'all say? Hey, if you'd like to order one of these, I'll put a link down in the description where you can go over to the Amazon page and order your own. And if you got any value out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, I'm inviting you to do so now. I really would appreciate it. So what do y'all think? I am impressed. Didn't have it on very long, and it's slightly warm, but this, with that aluminum body, it's going to heat up and cool off pretty quick. So if you're looking for a big bright light, there you go. Thumbs up, man. I like it. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.